my peanut butter cups. Guess what? Today, we're making 2 super fun crafts. A cute panda card. A colorful fish. Things you need: a 4-card, color papers black, white, pink, and any other colors you like, glue, scissors. Here's a template you can use to cut out the panda shape. We have some flowers and leaves to print on different color papers. Take the A4 card and fold it in half. Now, let's cut the panda's body from black paper. Cut a white shape for the chest and stick it on. Let's cut panda's face. Let's glue our panda onto the card. Yay! Now for panda's ears. Cut a bigger part from black paper and a smaller part from pink. Stick them together. Stick them on the panda's face. So cute! Now, let's make panda's face. Cut 2 big oval eyes from black paper. Stick that on panda's face. Cut 2 smaller printed eyes and stick them on top. Stick them on panda's face. Now he can see. Take a black marker and draw the nose and mouth. Let's cut a big heart and stick it in the center of panda's body. Now, let's make panda's arms and stick them on the sides. Time for a small heart where we write a message. I'm giving mine to my mom. Who would you give yours to? Tell me in the comments. Fold the small heart slightly, glue it, and stick it on the bigger heart. Ta-da! Panda looks amazing! Now, let's make a pop-up surprise inside. Cut a white circle. Then cut it into a coil shape like this. Or you can use a coil template too. Woohoo! Glue the center of the coil and stick it inside one side of the card. Take the other end of the coil, glue it, close the card and squeeze it. Open the card. Wow, the coil sticks to both sides. Let's cut these flowers and leaves. Now let's stick on our colorful flowers and leaves. Almost done. Ta-da! Look how beautiful this is. Did you love it? Like and subscribe before we move to the next craft. Let's make the fish. Things we need: color papers, glue, scissors. Take a paper and draw a big circle. I'm using a bowl to make mine. Then, using the same bowl, draw a semicircle inside. Cut it out. Now, let's cut 6 hearts from colored paper. Stick 1 for the mouth. Two for the fins. And 3 for the tail. Now, for the eyes, cut 1 black circle and a white circle too. Stick them on the fish. Now, let's make fish scales. Draw small circles on different color papers. Fold the paper to cut lots of circles at once. Let's cut them out. Ta-da! Look at all these little circles. Now, take one small circle and fold it in half. Now it's a semicircle. Glue one side and stick it to the big circle. Take another one and stick it inside the first semicircle. Let's keep going until we cover the fish's body. Just a few more circles to go. Ta-da! Our fish is so colorful and beautiful. What do you think? Isn't it lovely? Hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe for more fun crafts. See you next time. Bye!